Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile on your mobile device. First, download the game from your App Store. Make sure your phone meets the minimum requirements, typically requiring at least 2 GB of RAM and a modern operating system. A stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi, is crucial for smooth gameplay. Finally, create or log into your Activision account to save all your hard-earned progress and unlock features. Once installed, take time to understand the default touch controls. Call of Duty Mobile offers extensive customization options for your heads-up display, or HUD. You can move buttons and resize elements to fit your thumb placement perfectly. Experiment with sensitivity settings for aiming and camera movement. Finding your sweet spot is key. Dedicate about 10 to 15 minutes in the training range to practice aiming and movement before jumping into live matches. Call of Duty Mobile features many exciting game modes, from fast-paced team deathmatch to expansive battle royale. Always use cover to your advantage. Staying exposed makes you an easy target. Effective communication with your teammates, perhaps through the in-game voice chat, significantly increases your chances of victory. Select a loadout that suits the map and mode, ensuring you have the right weapons and perks for the job. To elevate your gameplay, explore advanced movement techniques such as slide canceling, which helps you move faster and evade enemy fire. As you play, you will earn experience points to unlock and upgrade a vast arsenal of weapons and powerful perks. Participate in seasonal events to earn exclusive cosmetic items and unique weapon blueprints. Consider joining a clan to team up with friends and receive additional in-game bonuses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.